Have you ever thought about building in your own backyard? If you have, then you know all the time, energy, and investment it takes just to discover what's possible. Until recently, it wasn't easy or even possible to build a laneway house or a garden suite, or as we like to call them, detached additional dwelling units, in most Canadian municipalities. And even if a homeowner was interested in building an ADU, they wouldn't know where to start, who to talk to, or if their lot was even suitable. That's where the idea for ADUSearch came from. We want to help the average homeowner discover the potential in their own backyards. Instead of reading 300 pages of your city's zoning bylaws, hiring a planner or an architect to draw up a site plan for you to see if it's even possible to fit a detached ADU on your lot, ADUSearch does that initial check for you. Our team developed a model to test individual residential lots to see if an ADU can fit in the backyard. So how does it work? After selecting your city and typing in your address in the property search bar, you'll know right away whether the lot you searched is suitable for an ADU based on its color. But how'd we get here? After confirming the lot has the correct zoning and building type, we calculate the buildable area based on the lot's setbacks. This means we clearly outline the area where you can build an ADU in your backyard. From there, we tested the minimum allowable size ADU on the buildable area to see if it would fit. We also calculated the maximum size ADU, which gives you a sense of how big and how small you can build. ADUSearch also gives a lot of useful information in the sidebar, like flagging parking requirements or any additional considerations that could impact an ADU development. Lastly, and definitely most importantly, we link you to the city's planning department website where you can go learn more about the process to build an ADU in your area. On the municipal homepage, there's more information about the raw numbers for ADUs in a specific city, as well as industry partners. And in the neighborhood view, our tool can help policymakers and municipalities understand and visualize where ADUs can be added and how they can contribute to more affordable housing supply and maximizing the potential of residential land. So try it out today. Visit adusearch.ca, find your city, type in your address, and discover the potential in your own backyard.